Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's episode of trying out new places, we visited this place called Suya town located in New Haven, Shime Avenue to be precise. So this place is actually a cool place. I like the environment and the settings. So here is where the Suya Abi made. Like they have varieties of suya over here, such as we have the beef suya, the goat suya, the goat meat suya, actually the chicken suya, and lots more. So this is the place that is being made. And so guys, they're selling not just suya, they also say things like shawarma, spring rolls, and all that. Oh my god, I love this teacup, I love that. And over here is where you make your order. So right now I'm actually getting my shawarma. So over you come over here to make your orders.
Hi, say hi.
So over here is a car park. While visiting this place, you can park your vehicle over here. And presently people are not much, but people actually came around. Like when it was getting dark, at least everywhere is still very bright. So let's head over to the Opal Lounge. I so much love this Opal senses. Like the place is actually a nice place to be, and you definitely enjoy your time here. Like I'm beginning to enjoy my time here, and I love the settings. I love how it looks like. Though presently people are not much, maybe because it's still very bright. Yeah, over here is the bar. Yes, let me call it the bar. So you can come here to buy drinks, and if you want to make use of their restroom, you have to come here to make use of the restroom. So I think here's also an hotel. Like they have rooms here, you can decide to book a room and sleep over. So here is the bar, yes, where you can come to get your drink. Maybe you don't want to stay outdoor, you don't want to drink outdoor, you want to drink indoor, like inside of this place, then you can actually come inside here and order for drink. So over here is the shawarma. Like I can't really wait to devour this shawarma. Like this shawarma actually costs 1,500. The beef suya shawarma and the chicken suya shawarma both cost 1,500 naira. And they also have the combo shawarma that costs like 2,500 naira. In this plate is the suya beef and the suya goat meat, and both cost 1,500. You can see how cheap and nice the price are. So over here is chicken and spring rolls. Like 2 pieces of spring rolls cost 500 naira, while the entire chicken you can see on that plate costs 2,000 naira. Like I just feel their price are still quite fair enough. So over here is the hibiscus lemongrass tea. Like yesterday's tea was okay, but I didn't really like it, maybe because of the honey. I don't really like honey and lemon. So but my friends said they really enjoyed the tea, so I didn't really take it, but it was actually nice. Like according to them, it was actually nice. And it costs 1,000 naira, like 1,000 naira for everything you can actually see on that tree. So guys, if you are seeing this video and you are yet to subscribe, please do well to click on that subscribe button, put on the notification bell beside it, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Like that thumbs up button, just press it right now. Like give this video a huge thumbs up, and leave your comment in the comment section. If you have been to this place, you live in Enugu, let me know. And if you live in Suya, like another state, and you have been to Suya similar to this, you can also drop into the comment section and state your experience. And my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting this channel. So if you live in Enugu and you have never been to this place, I think you really need to try it out. Like It's a nice place. You can hang out, you can hang out with your friends, family, loved ones, and you really enjoy it. Like, we are really enjoying our time here, and the prices are actually fair enough. Like, it is moderate, it's not so expensive, it's not even really expensive. So I will recommend this place for you. It's really a nice place, and trust me, the environment is cool. Like, the settings is so nice. So people have started coming. Yeah, it's not as empty as it used to be. Like, when we came, there was like nobody, but now people are coming, and there are kind of much people around. So guys, I'm really enjoying myself. I'm actually eating chicken, so great chicken. So this is it. It's so nice, and actually having fun. So we actually ordered for another plate of spring rolls and suya chicken. Like, the chicken was so nice, it's so yummy, so delicious. Is there any other word I should use for that? And I requested for juice, and this juice costs 1,000 naira. So I'm going to be drinking this juice with my baby. We really enjoyed our time here. It was a time well spent. So you can see my baby is actually happy. Like, the little man is having fun and is feeling the goodness of the whole place. So it was actually a nice time, and for sure I would recommend this place for anybody. And is the price, like the cost of everything we bought, was not even up to 20k. I think it was around 60,000 naira, or thereabout. Both the drink, the spring roll, the chicken, the suya, the goat meat suya, and the beef suya was just that price for everybody's city here. Like, the price was very much fair enough. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this extent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you guys in my next video. Bye.